So I hope we may keep time. Join in. Wacha to learn. Leo I want to start from episode yangu haijapotea sana. Napiga sherehe sana. Losing my voice. Then I'm looking for my pen. So, nataka tuanzie from scratch. I'm starting from zero. What is Forex? How I train people, or how I used to train people. I haven't trained people for the last hour. I think we're about to go to 2 years, by the way. I stopped training people. Those who know me, kutoka kitambo, I used to have a very big office training people. So, I want to train new babies. Mostly if you're new babies or unataka tu kulearn Forex tena from zero. That is what we're going to do today. So, and I don't want this video to be long. It's supposed to be somewhere by 9. I'm supposed to be somewhere by 9. So, nataka kusukumana na hii. Let's see where we go to. So, tukifika wase, I think, let me say 50. Tutakuwa poa. But they don't close boom 1000, don't close it. That trade is going to fall. Even if it breaks, kuna mahali nimegoja I break. If it breaks, I'm gonna give another trade. We jump, what is it called? Jump 25, continue closing, holding it. Jump 25. Jump 25. Yes, continue holding jump 25. It's supposed to pay you. It was supposed to pay you $40, 400 USD. So continue holding that trade. It will pay you the 400 USD. And even jump 10 also. I see it's falling nicely. I can see, you see. Let me show you. Let me twist the camera. I see it's just falling here. It had a double top. It's supposed to come up to here. So you have this gap to cover up to here. Supposed to pay around 170 USD. Which other trade do we have? We have boom 1000. Yes, boom 1000 is supposed to fall. I'm waiting for step index to get to a certain place. It will have a very nice sell as I wait for people to join in. Let me show you. Gold, oh my, kuna kitu nimesahau kufanya. Mwenye amenitajia gold imegonga TP ya place yenye nilipeana. I gave her some time back buy a nice one. So amemaliza hiyo distant. Hiyo nitaelezea vizuri tukifika kwa patterns. Kwa sababu pattern is the most, if you know how to trade patterns in Forex, haitaikuwa ngumu. So today, because we are starting from zero, let me start with this, what I'm going to be saying now. I think the group, we are already enough to Kosawa. So today I'm not analyzing anything. Today I'm be talking about the introduction of Forex. We are starting from there. Then tomorrow I'm going to do candlesticks. If I'll be able to finish candlestick, I will start with patterns. So I'm giving myself a period between now and before day 25 to train the whole thing the way I do it. If I do it daily, yes, I'll be able to finish. So that maybe by January, then we can go back to doing a lot of analysis. Then analysis I'll start the same way I do it. When mimi wanza analysis hizi zingine, the way I train a new baby how to analyze, what do you look for, nini. So for today, just bear with me. I'm just going to talk on the general things which I need people to know, like the things which I train anyone. I train from scratch because I no longer train anymore. So it's just fair if I train people here for free. Juu nimeona mkicomplain sana TikTok huko we. Anyway, wacha niache story mingi. Haya, so tutaanzia what is Forex. Now, Forex is the trading of money. Forex is the trading of money. The trading of money tunamaanisha stock. Ukitrade stock, we trade anything traded in Forex, you're paid in terms of money. There's no other way. So Forex is a trading of money. To me, I put it as simple as that. Forex is a trading of money. Every day, Forex revolves $7 trillion. So in case anyone says Forex is not real, tell them to wake up. Tell them just to wake up and shake his head. This world can't work without Forex, because Forex is used by other countries to trade and to know how the economy of another country is faring. Okay? So Forex is a trading of money. And every day Forex revolves around $7 trillion. That is the money which revolves in Forex. We are together up to there. Now, that's aside. What affects Forex? Sina story mob. I do not have so many stories. So if you have somewhere you're writing, if I'm going very fast, tell me. So, and I said this, you come to my page, you comment kitu, you follow, I'm blocking you. Like this time I'm be blocking people. You won't be spoiling my mood when I'm here to help other people who you can't help. So on a very right note, come you talk shit here, you're blocked. You comment shit, you're blocked. I do not have time to explain myself to anyone. So, and if you feel you are a guru, you should be on your page, not here. So go back to whatever I was saying. What affects Forex? Now, Forex is affected by three things. One, fundamental. When you talk about fundamental, we are talking about politics. Politics, like Biden can say something, or in easy country, kubwa. Leave Kenya alone. Kenya is bullshit. Leave the politics of Kenya alone. If the politics of Kenya can move that market, whoa, where we can find dollar ikiwa. You can find the dollar equal around 500 within one day, but that is not usually the case. So when we talk about fundamental one, it's politics. Two, another thing which affects Forex is economical factor, how the economy is doing. That's why you see we have bank rates. Am I forgetting the name? Let me say bank rates. Unasikia kuna mkubwa bank anakuja ongee, and so on and so forth. Yes. So one is fundamental, the second one is economical factor, and the third one is technical analysis. The third one is usually called technical analysis. Now let me explain. On these two, fundamental and economical factor, sometimes is very hard to trade nazo unless umeiva and you know how to go analyze hizo vitu na nini. Those one for me nilishindwa. If you ever get someone who knows how to do them, well and good. The second one is the economical factor, how the economy of a country is faring. Like let me tell you, like in 2024 we're gonna have elections in the US. So I expect the dollar to be, at the beginning of the year, the dollar will be a bit strong. Even right now, I think the dollar is a bit strong. The dollar will be a bit strong. But when it comes to those, we are coming near to the elections, the dollar may lose strength because they do not know how people are going to react after the election is done. So when we come to the first one, we have said it's fundamental, it's political, economical factor. For economical factor, you can write this one. Canadian is the biggest supplier of oil. It buys oil in large quantity and it still supplies a lot. So that's when oil will crash, Canadian pair they'll crash. Canada is the biggest supplier of oil. That is, I will leave it up to there. Canadian is the biggest supplier of oil. Economical factor, another thing which I can say is let me explain another thing before I forget. When we come to gold, sometimes gold and any pair against you remember bricks. Is it called bricks? Yes. Yang. Any pair with the yang, most of the time you're gonna see it is going to lose strength if gold loses strength. Why? Because China, Japan is one and the same thing. Yes. China and one and the same thing. They call the pair the same, yeah. So they bank their money on gold. They how do you explain? Oh my god, the last time I trained, this is hard, but let me try. They how do we explain this? Gold is backed up by bricks. Naona bricks when walikuja wakaanza kuweka their money in terms of gold, not USD anymore. So giving the gold a lot of strength. So whenever gold loses strength, you're gonna find the young pairs losing strength. That is something you're gonna see. Okay, that is something you're gonna find. So I want to do as we continue. So and that one which affects Forex is usually called technical analysis. Technical ni hiyo kuchora. The way you draw, you analyze your market from monthly, weekly, day. You look at the candlesticks, you look at those indicators, those who use indicators, you look at the patterns the market has formed. That is what we call technical analysis. So if now you can trade technical analysis, and this one I will say for a fact, for the last how many years I've traded for, now I'm going to 7 years. Yes, I'm going to 7 years right now since I started trading. So you can trade nicely with technical analysis without knowing fundamental and economical factor. That one I can tell you for a fact, kwa sababu the market inakuanga imepangwa. I will show you when you get to a lot of drawing and technical analysis, you're going to understand. And still, technical analysis is the same thing which is applied by volatility. Those who trade volatility. If you're very good at technical analysis, volatility becomes very easy for you to trade. Okay? So of all the three of them, if you'll be able to learn fundamental, fine, and economical factors, fine. But if you be able to do technical analysis nicely, that is the drawing of trend lines and so on and so forth. If you be able to draw nicely, you learn how to draw trend lines and you learn how to do trend lines, and you learn how to do you learn how patterns, trend lines, and how to make entries, which you are going to learn when you get there. About technical analysis. Technical analysis is right. That is what I'm going to be training you guys how to do technical analysis. And if you want to trade, to learn kabisa technical analysis, you need a laptop. First of all, you need a laptop. You cannot do Forex without a laptop. Let's agree on that. Because where I've seen a certain mentor training people 2 weeks in Forex. She's charging how much? 400 USD, that is around 400 USD, that is around 60 to 70 G's. Kenya size dollar around 155 to almost 155. Remember, it will depend on who is giving you the dollar. But on the nini check 150. So within 2 weeks, there is nothing you can learn in Forex now, Shike. No wonder I'm saying what I'm covering up in the 2 weeks is basics. That are pure basics. Like what you're going to be learning here, it's pure basics. before we get to drawing of the charts and everything. So I need someone. You need to have a laptop wherever you are. You need to have a laptop too. Yes, you just need to have a laptop, a working laptop, I mean. Yes, as long as it can hold charts, the better. I'm a PC. So you get a laptop first. We are not going to do anything. Recommend a technical book. I do not have a technical book. I can't sell a technical book. A technical book is I stay here, I show you how to draw those lines. I can't tell you go read how to draw a line from A to Z. That's a lie. Andrew, that's a pure lie. You can't read. We do not have notes for technical analysis. Which books? Now maybe you go look for patterns and candlesticks. That's all I can say. Yes. So there's something I want to do as you continue. So we have three things. We have fundamental, we have technical analysis, and we have economical factor. Those three. Okay? Those are the three major ones we have. There's something I want to check. 1 minute. No. What have I done? Yo, it's going to make clear trades. At free or we have to pay. I'm training for free, Michael. Welcome to my group. I'm training for free for the next 2 weeks. When we start, for the first, I'm not charging anything to train, but I'm be training here, not individually. If you want individually, that's another thing, which I'm not doing right now. I got tired of training people individually. Like I got tired, like, literally, of training people. I decided to focus on trading, specific, only on trading. So, but because why don't you give stop loss in your trade? Kate, account in yako. You are the one who knows how much you have in your account. You know the best thing as a trader, if your account you can't take a negative of 300 USD, close it. You know, we have different accounts. Why do you want me to tell people who have an account of 1,000 USD to close a negative of 300 USD, and I'm so sure that trade will go my way? Can we re-enter trade that you have sent? Only jump 75, jump 75, and boom 1,000. Those are the only trades I can recommend right now. You place an order. Kujeni, I'm trying to get something so that I can show the screen. There's something I want to get. Not, oh my God, what am I doing? I want my email. There's an account I want to log in on my laptop, and let's see. So the next thing I'll be covering up is something called correlation, and I can't how do I explain this? I can't do correlation if I haven't logged into this laptop. I have so many messages. I have let me show you. I have 800 and something messages. Yeah, I'm usually unable to respond. Those messages are too much. My TikTok has I think 200 messages, requests for Forex. I'm like, ew, it's too much. It's too much on my side. So the best thing I can do, if I train people here for free, it's gonna help a lot of people. So give me a moment. One minute. I just need to log into my email, like ASAP, like right now. So as we continue, by the way, as I look for that, I'm gonna say this: don't listen to people. And this one, I'm saying this because you guys follow me, and there are people who have followed me since back then. Don't listen to people in social media saying Forex doesn't pay. It doesn't pay them. It's them who are not paid by Forex, because Forex doesn't pay everyone. By the way, I hate to say that though, but Forex doesn't pay everyone, and maybe they're in that list of people Forex doesn't pay. You know. The last one. Oh yes, this one. It's 3, wait, 9. Now I'm looking for a certain account. I need to log in here because I don't want to use my main account. I've logged in my main account. I don't want to use my main account here. I like putting very, very private. Logins. Let me see if I'll get the logins. Yes, I've gotten the logins. 1 minute. Don't listen to people who other. By the way, do you people look when you mnaangalianga advice? See Forex trader arguing with people who are like, I can't argue with you. I can never argue with someone who doesn't know what entails Forex. I can never argue. I don't even respond to bloggers. Me, I just keep quiet. See, I've done worse. I keep quiet. Why should I respond? I do not see the aim of responding in the first place. And who are you again? I am usually like, who are you again? No, it's very true. I'm like, who are you? Why am I responding to you? Don't give up on Forex. That's all I'm going to say. And don't discourage your kids to do Forex. That's another thing. And if Forex doesn't pay, most of you won't be paying my brother for signals. Someone I've trained from zero. I've trained my brother from zero. Like, this is a candlestick. This is how you draw lines. This is what you do. And right now, you're paying my brother signal. I think he gets even, I think nowadays even he gets more people more than me. Someone I've trained. So it pays him a lot. It helped my brother to make a lot of money. So and he's just eaten a little. My brother turned 24 years. My brother is young. I've left him with 6 years. He's very, very young. So I'm looking for something. Wait, I really hope it is. Accept to login. Please give me some. Yes, finally. It came. Alafu nini inaitangwa aje? Euro USD had something called Quasimodo pattern. Quasimodo iko hivi. Like, I don't know how to, like, my shoulder one is up, the head, then the other one is usually down. It's had a pattern called Quasimodo. Those who are telling me it has dropped. Yes, they had a pattern called Quasimodo pattern. And I think they are done. Oh my, this thing is taking forever. So, the next thing we're going to go to something called correlation. Correlation, they are pairs we dictate for other pairs. If they go up, the other pairs follow. If they drop, the other pairs drop. Now, before even we get to those pairs, we're going to talk about something called dollar index. Before you trade any Euro USD, Pound USD, gold. Is gold included? No. Let me not include gold there. I won't include gold there. Let me say Euro USD, Pound USD, AUD USD. You have to check because those are the mother currency. Those are the main currency, including even gold is there. But I won't do it so much. Gold is still in the picture. But for all these trades, for you to trade them nicely, for you to know the main direction, you have to look at something called the dollar index. It's usually there. Let me see if I'll find it in my pairs. I need to have it. Yes, it's supposed to be here on the list. Now, let me show you. Dog. This is what we call the dollar index. USD index. It dictates the strength of the dollar. So, before you come and trade this one, or anything here, make sure, or anything including, which has a dollar against it, or the dollar, it has stroke a dollar, you always have to check on this one. That's why you see today, let me see with 4 hours, let me show you. 4 hours, you see the dollar index is going up. The dollar index is going up. If you go to Euro USD, still going up. Let me see on a very nice. Now I want to see yesterday. leave alone this one. I want to say yesterday. What happened yesterday? They're going up. The dollar index has been going up. So is Euro USD. This is weird. Wait, kidogo. No, it has been dropping. Oh, are you calling me update? Yes, that's why I'm wondering why am I saying different things. Wait. You see, Euro USD has been dropping. Let's look at the dollar index. The dollar index has been going up. So, before you do any analysis for Forex, you have to know how this one is heading to. You have to know where the dollar index is heading to before you come and trade Euro USD. AUD USD, I expect them to be falling. See? Pound USD, I expect even this one to be falling. Let me put it nicely so people can see. Oh no, it's falling. They are going against. No, not. I've said the only three of them. You have to know how the dollar index is performing before you sit down and trade Euro USD, AUD, and Pound USD. The three of them, and the most which is affected by the dollar index is Euro USD. So, the most which is affected by the dollar index is Euro USD. So you have to know why the USD index is heading to. Okay, up to there. Yeah. So let's see. Which pair should I explain? This one. Euro USD is usually. Now I need a whiteboard. Let me open a whiteboard as we continue. Euro USD goes opposite. Now, this is correlation. If you need somewhere to write down, please do. If you need somewhere to write down, please do. As I search for a whiteboard. Correlations, pairs which goes opposite direction. If Euro USD buys, there's a pair which goes opposite direction with it. So you can never have buy on both of them. That's a lie. That's a lie. So our first pair will be Euro USD. Euro USD goes the same direction with Euro JPY and CHF JPY. Euro JPY and CHF JPY, they follow Euro USD. But let me first check. There's something I want to check up. Or I arrange them. Let me try and arrange them on my USD JPY. No, Euro JPY. Expect it to be dropping also. Because gold doesn't have strength. And JPY, I told you what happened to pairs of JPY. They lose strength if gold loses strength. So if gold has lost strength, I don't expect JPY to have strength as much as I do not expect JPY to have strength. Wait, what's up with my internet? It's taking forever to update. Next year, I want to trade gold alone. I really want to trade gold alone. Like, I want to have that pair on its own, like only gold, like gold. Yeah? So I've said Euro USD goes the same direction. It is a mother currency. Euro USD is a mother currency. It is followed by Euro JPY and CHF JPY. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm arranging that as you write down. Please, it's very important. Just write it down somewhere. Or you're gonna come and watch it later if you have the time. It's also followed by CHF JPY. CHF JPY follow Euro USD. So Euro USD has been on what? Has been on sale. So we expect Euro JPY and CHF JPY to be on sale. Like the mother currency. They follow Euro USD. Get that and get that in your head. Euro USD is followed by Euro JPY and CHF JPY. And Euro USD is a mother currency. Yes? You said you are teaching about candlestick. Now you are teaching currencies. Kate, we started from basics. See, I'm teaching Pacific currency. This is part of the basic analysis for Forex. I'm teaching everything. Candlestick will be a lesson for tomorrow. This is the beginning. We are starting from scratch. For those people, are you getting it? I'm not here to teach LT volatility. Candlestick is there for tomorrow afternoon. Where do you trade those pairs you have mentioned? Yes, I do trade those pairs I've mentioned. Young pair are also dropping. Gold is having good volatility and the direction. Gold is dropping, and I said this from beginning. Gold control yen, so expect if gold continue to drop, yen pairs will be weak. But let me see gold kidogo. I haven't looked at gold leo. Tipi yangu ya gold iligongwa. That's why I'm in a very good mood. This December is very nice. My TP for gold, which I've waited for the longest time, was hit. My TP was hit and I really missed out on the sell. Sikutaka kuguza sell ya leo. Wangenikujia. Now we go back. We're starting from this one. Euro USD. I need to buffer. Now we are in daytime frame. You see here, this is day one. What has been the market doing? It has been dropping. Okay, I said it is followed by Euro GPY. If Euro USD drop, Euro USD if it drop, Euro GPY will also drop. Euro GPY will also drop. What has happened? We are going to day time frame. Let's see how it has been. It has been falling. CHF GPY. Yes, CHF GPY. CHF GPY hasn't been falling that much. It just consolidated in one position. There's something I'm gonna explain about this one later. Why this one is not falling left by others. Now, when Euro USD is falling, there's something I want to show you. Ways, can you see USD chef? Yes, I need USD chef, and then wait, I need to. So I'm gonna talk about all that now. Listen, so Euro USD is followed by Euro GPY and CHF GPY. So you can see CHF GPY can consolidate, and then maybe by tomorrow it can drop to cover up that distance. It can just drop to follow the mother currency. Another pair which goes opposite direction of Euro USD is USD chef. USD chef goes opposite direction of Euro USD. USD chef, let me show you. I'm waiting for it to. I don't know what's up with my internet today. It's really misbehaving. This is weird. I will see if maybe nimeanza kutumia na maneiba wote. Because kuna time napatanga like it's connected due to how many TVs, due to what. And I have only 2 TV. Hey, I have 30 messages. No, you don't do analysis on only mother currencies. Sometimes it's good to do on even the other pairs. Okay? It's very good to do on the other pairs. Sawa? It's very good to do even on the other pairs so that you can see if they're giving the same direction as the mother currency. Yeah, sometimes it's good, or you just trade the mother currency like I usually do. Sometimes I just trade only the mother currency, Euro USD, Pound USD, and AUD USD. Only those, the three of them. Higher. You see, we go to day. So I've said, if Euro USD drops, USD chef is going to be on buy. It goes opposite direction. You go opposite direction. I need the... I don't know why my internet is behaving like this. Just give me 1 minute. It's really... my internet is really misbehaving. Which are the mother currency? And itabidi tu umerudi kwa hii video ikianza, please wanzane nayo. Nimeanzia na Euro USD, it's followed by Euro GPY and Chef GPY, and then USD chef goes opposite direction. USD chef goes opposite direction. Whoa. So I'm waiting for... oh yes, finally. So we have said, so because Euro USD has been dropping, what do you expect Euro USD to do? This one. USD chef has been going on buy. Euro USD is dropping. Euro USD it has been dropping. USD chef is on. It's on buy. Let me even try to zoom it vizuri. It's on buy. We have to get up to there. So the mother currency here is, the mother currency is Euro USD. It's followed by Euro GPY and Chef GPY. And I can see Chef GPY is very Chef is strong to what I can see with USD Chef. So when USD Chef goes opposite direction, repeat the three mother currency. Hey, we are on our first mother currency. We have started with the Euro USD. It is followed by Euro GPY, Chef GPY. Okay? And then, let me remove that sound from my laptop. I don't want that sound again on my laptop. It's too much. Now, I've said this. Euro USD is followed by Euro GPY and Chef GPY. The pair which goes opposite Euro USD is Chef USD Chef. This one. USD Chef goes opposite direction. If Euro USD goes on sell, Euro USD goes on sell, USD Chef goes on buy. Oh, my phone is at 5%. Shit. That's why nashinda kwa nini nimeanza kubage. So mama, if this one goes on, the Euro USD goes on sell, this one goes on buy. And you can notice this one. Let me even show you a long-term thing here. I want to show you a long-term thing. What have we been having the trend for Euro USD? It has been on buy for the longest. This is on daytime frame. It has been on buy. But if you come and check on this one, it has been on a long-term sell. Now I want to show you something. Before it was on sell. You see, Euro USD was on sell. USD Chef was on a long-term buy. So they changed, shift. This one started to go down. Now this one has changed. The course is going down. So they go opposite direction. They go Euro USD and USD Chef goes opposite direction. I said this. You come to my page, you talk shit, you'll be blocked. You'll be very blocked. Let me help when you're nice idea. Don't come here. Go to your mentors. Please go to your mentors. Leave me alone. What is the direction of jump 75? I said a buy. That one is a buy. It has a nini. Yeah. Account. So we go to the next mother currency. I said this, you come to my page, you talk shit, I'll block you, by the way. This time I'm not entertaining Wasiwa Forex. I'm not going to entertain anyone. You come to my page and talk shit from wherever you are. I'm not doing analysis. Jenga today, I'm not doing analysis. But I would answer you very nicely, and I tell you, to what I can see with Euro USD, it's Euro GPY is going to continue to sell. That's all. Euro GPY will continue to sell. Kwa sababu hata imebreak. So, but I don't want to go to that. You go to the next mother currency. Please, please, please. You're going to go to Pound USD. Pound USD is usually followed by Pound GPY. And it's followed by Pound Chef. It doesn't usually have a mother currency. Another currency which goes opposite of it. So Pound USD, Pound, let me show you Pound. This one. Pound USD has been dropping. Let's see about Pound GPY. Let's see how Pound GPY are behaving. Pound GPY, you see? Pound GPY zinafanya nini? Dropping also. This is Pound GPY, so that people can say, oh, sijui nini. Nameletea chat hapa. Pound GPY, this one, dropping. Mesema mother currency ni, I'm supposed to even to, I like put them together. Then emission. And the dollar index, I like it to be on the beginning of my chart with gold. So many reasons I like them to be on the front line of my charts. So, and this one is supposed to be next to, yeah. Just arrange them. So Pound USD. Pound USD goes up the same direction with Pound GPY and Pound Chef. Let me see. New chart. File. What's the time? Jesus. Oh, nimepema bado. Kwa naonekana nimechelewa kwenda kwenye nafaa niende. Pound Chef. So they go the same direction, yeah? So you see it has been dropping. Imekuwa ikidrop kama the currency. Though leo naona kama imeenda juu, but there's something with Chef. Any pair against Chef is consolidating a lot. You see? Meaning Chef is not that strong. Chef is not that strong. This one, they follow the mother currency. Mother currency is this one. Mother currency is dropping, so are the kids. The kids are still dropping. But on these 4 hours, let me see. It's an update. Taking forever. So Pound USD is followed by Pound GPY and Pound Chef. That's it. Pound USD is another currency. The one which dictates for these two. Okay, the one which dictates for these two. The one which dictates for these two. The next one, I think, which other pair should I cover up? Audi. Audi has 10 pairs. Let me do this. On Audi, let me show for Audis, for correlation for Audi tomorrow. I'm supposed to go somewhere for sure. But let me show for Pound Chef. So you see, Pound Chef has also been dropping like the mother currency. But like this, if we go today, I want to show you something. If we go today, the mother currency has been going up. If we go to Audi day, even Audi Pound, see Audi, sorry, where am I getting Audi from? Pound GPY has also been going up on daily, you can see. And we go to this one on day, still it was going up. And this one I can see, for me as a trader, I'll put a line there and there, because that one look like a pattern. But anyway, that one for another day. I'm supposed to rush somewhere. So it's easy. I need to dress up and I rush somewhere right now. I didn't want even to go past 8. But I think we do Audi. We get down with the name. We get down with the correlation. The whole of the correlation. Tomorrow we do candlesticks. Never. There's no need for me to tag along. Yes, mwenye anauliza kana record naweka. Sigusi, nani anasema nagusia? Ni hakuna na cover up kenye unafaa kujua. Okay, we go to Audi pairs. Audi, now learn Audi. Audi controls how many pairs? Audi control Audi GPY. Audi GPY. It controls Audi card. It's followed. Audi USD is followed by Audi GPY, Audi card. Hey, where will I get? I need to write them down. Not really. It used to have a Euro pound. It has Euro pound, but I don't really trust it that much. I don't trust it that much nowadays. I don't like putting it there. So let's do this. Audi na control wanapia mob sana. Let me come do correlation ya Audi kesho, Audi, and then the USD card, and then we cover up a bit of some candlesticks, and then we are good to go. I think let me cover up that one for now. Sipinangu kupeleka watu mbio, mtu ataboeka. We meet up tomorrow, same time, 7. And mtoto anataka classes. This is the way I do it. Hakunanga tofauti, hatunanga notes. Forex inanga PDF. Hizo PDF mnanuanga hiyo na kwa ujinga. Tuonyesha kwenye kazi iko. Kazi inakujanga kuanalyze the market. So like and share to your friends, tag whoever we want to tag there, and then we meet kesho. Let me get dressed up nitoke before nianze hata kupigiwa calls haziishi hapa. Wala inatoka na mtu tukipatana kwenye tutapatana. Just say hi. Maskara ninaongea nimepiga sherehe mpaka sauti yangu imepotea. So acha niende. Hiyo iko sawa kabisa. Kesho please ikuwe long kidogo. Sijam 75 nimesema bye. Iko bye. Kwani WhatsApp? It's on a buy. Acha nikwambie kwa nini it's on a buy. It had a pattern. You see this pattern? It was unable to break this one. And then they left us with a candlestick called engulfing or a morning star in this level. This market is supposed to buy a duke. So I don't want to go there. I do not want to go there. I do not want to go deep. But Nini, it's on a buy. Don't overtrade. See overtrade. Hold, jump 10. Overtrade. Boom 1000, keep holding. That one is it's a long-term sell. Boom 1000 is a trade which has the longest sell we will have. It has a pattern. Itaonyesha. By next week I know tutakuwa tumefika patterns. It has the longest pattern called a Quasimodo pattern. It has a pattern called Quasimodo. So by next week tutakuwa tumefika hapo, but so for now let's get up to there. I'm gonna give correlations Audi USD tomorrow, including USD including hizo zingine, and then we get to candlesticks. So those who are asking me about candlestick, let me now discuss about candlestick. There are only 8 of them, but you're gonna cover with them with 2 days. Here boom 1000 hapo tunaelewana kabisa. It has a pattern called Quasimodo pattern, and then it has formed double top. And still, that the reason why I'm saying people to hold jump 25, it has a very nice sell, and then it's gonna give a very perfect buy. Alafu join Man City. Nitakublock. Those are the kind of negative comment to join Man City. Wewe ulisikia wapi? Acha tukae na timu yetu, acha na timu yetu ama tukublock. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Wachani nienda mahali nimeitwa sherehe. Nastaki kufelo waku. See you tomorrow and have a lovely day. Have a lovely night. Sawa. Tonaneni kesho the same time 7. We meet up by 7 tomorrow. We do the rest. So take care. Yes, thank you. I need a pin. Wacha kwanza hata Nixon. I want to pin your comment. That one, you have said something very important. Yes, sawa basi. I will do that. So thank you. See you tomorrow. I have a lot of messages here. So take care. We'll see you tomorrow. So yes.